Right, it's a beautiful day out here. I just want to welcome you to my biology video. Me, Brett Harper, and Justin Krusenbaum. And we're going to take you around and talk about this ecosystem. And I just want to give a shout out to Mr. Bottom. He's probably on a beautiful bike ride right now in this beautiful weather. Hope you're having a good day. Lovely day out here in Wisconsin. Sun's shining on these beautiful autotrophs, getting some nice, photosynthesis going. I'm just going to take you around on a little boat tour, and we'll show you around this very nice ecosystem. Let's do this. In this ecosystem, you got lots of things that contribute to make such a great nature place. We got gymnosperms way out yonder. We got all kinds of green things. We got trees and plants and water and all kinds of other living organisms. We usually get the main thing, turtles, breathing cranes and herons, fish and all kinds of stuff, sometimes in the ecosystem, it takes a while to find what you're doing. Like today, we're just looking for some fine old snapping turtles, right? Sometimes it's just patience. It's just patience, depending on this algae, the weather. In this ecosystem, you have lots of kinds of bacteria, but the main one is eubacteria. You can almost smell it. It's all over. But it's good, it's very good for the ecosystem. It's everywhere. You may not know. Damn caucus. In this ecosystem, there's bacteria. The main type of bacteria is eubacteria. Obviously there's an ecosystem. It's very good for the ecosystem. It can even harm us in some ways. Like right here, on this kind of Sprite. I know there's bacteria in it. Probably Spirilla, Coci, or Bacilli, whatever it may be. It's here, alright? Sometimes nature throws some of the worst obstacles there are. Like here, we're just trying to get some turtle eggs. But me, I'm gonna get them. Some of these obstacles will be dead. Now these turtles lay their eggs in the dirt. This is for a reason. It keeps them protected when they are holding the animal. Right here, as you can see, here's an egg, here's an egg. You can tell these are snapping turtles. They laid the egg right here. Here's one. Here's two. They absolutely do not use internal fertilization if they lay eggs. Right? This also keeps the eggs in safe conditions, so they keep protected at all times. Sometimes in the nature there's lots of stuff. Let's just take a stroll. You're walking, Let's go this way, shall we? As you can see, there are lots of other animals. Get down close here, cameraman. There are trucks, some kind of animal. You may not know what it is. You always want to stay pretty safe out here. Take precautions just in case of ticks. You don't want ticks out here. It's like I'm going to say this again. There are lots of greens. And there's another angiosperm. They're dying though at the moment. Probably not enough water. And more greens and plants. Yeah, this is pretty neat. Pretty neat. Nice cleaning out here. We got a nice little clearing out here. You can see here, right here, cameraman. There's a nice little burrow, as you can see. You can tell it's probably from a deer or some kind of baby turtle eggs. You never know. Out here in the clearing, you got lots of open space. This is where you're most likely to see turtles and these high grasses. Because you can also lay the eggs in good spots. It's nice, it's really nice. Typically, right here, this is a fern. You know, ferns are usually used for turtles, well not just, but when turtles lay their eggs, they usually use a plant like this, a fern. See this non-bacteria, typical pterophyta. And they lay the eggs in there, and it helps them to stay protected from other animals. Sometimes it's just better than the dirt or the mud that they usually right here is a turtle I captured this morning. It was a sunny day. This is Tonya the turtle, and I caught it just in time, and it laid its egg right there. And as you know, they lay their eggs in muddy or sandy material. And things that the turtle eats are algae or bugs or little rodents. And the things that eat the turtles themselves are usually hawks. And this is interesting. The hawk actually comes down, picks up the turtle, so you know, can easily kill the turtle right now. Takes it up about 100 feet, and it finds somewhere hard like cement or rocks right over there, and it just drops it, hoping that the shell will break on impact, and it just eats the insides from there. This animal right here, it's an ectotherm animal, not an endotherm. It's cold-blooded ectotherm. It also uses external reproduction, therefore the egg. If it were to use internal reproduction, that would be a lot like a mammal, which is the baby is grown in there. Here it's just the egg, and usually mammals are endotherms. Therefore, ectotherms are usually using external fertilization. I just want to thank you guys for watching my video. Hope you learned a lot about the painted turtle, and I just want to thank you all for watching it, especially you, Mr. Bottom, who gave us a chance to make this video for a final instead of taking one of those boring written tests, and I hope you just enjoyed this. Thank you so much, everybody.
Alright, Brett, say something to make sure the sound works. Say like rowing out into the pond.
Well, it's a sandhill crane at my friggin' ecosystem. Right there.
Well, Brett, you just got in the way of it. I was gonna stack some mad footy. I don't know where it went.
Now,
oh, right there.
Shallow. There she goes. Oh, mate, we're out here on Pond Hopper. It's a beautiful day. The sun's shining. We got some nice clear water. We got the green algae out. Nice use of photosynthesis. Getting energy, you know. Oh, mate, it's a beautiful day out here in Wisconsin. You know, making a tour. It's the sun shining. We got green algae out on the lake, pond, whatever you want to call it. It's a beautiful ecosystem out here. We got LG, which uses, it's an autotroph, whatever, you know. Oh, mate, we're out here in Wisconsin. The sun's shining today. Nice evening out here on the pond. No. And then just delete that clip because we just took 2 chicken eggs.
Yeah, put them in the sand. Just say like, as you can see, the turtle uses external reproduction by laying. I think it just broke because there's like yolk there. By laying its eggs outside.
Is it called external reproduction though?
Pretty sure. Because it was internal reproduction. Say, the turtle doesn't use internal reproduction, it uses external reproduction.
I'm gonna look rock. Sometimes nature, you got to